We got the threading die off. Minor issue. Whoever decided to use this, let me read that if it's coming in forward. That's right. Yeah. Well, if you can't read it, it says 7/16. I don't know any Suzukis that use 7/16 standard nuts. So minor problems. So I don't have the right puller for the flywheel, which leaves us with a couple options. Either just cross thread on a nut here and hope for the best, or we basically try and I'll get the puller, pull the flywheel off, and then attempt to rethread that, see what I can kind of get out of it. The threads are pretty well jacked up, so I'm not going to be able to save much. So then I would say maybe I just go, I'll bring in a nicer threading die when it's nice and clean, sharp, redo it, and then we would just use a 7/16 nut on there. That, or yeah, you take a 10mm job or do and just cross thread it on there and hope for the best. Not the most ideal, but well, I guess we'll see where we end up. Good fun. Well, here, let's see if we can zoom in on those threads because they're a little botched up. Yeah, you can see them. They were just, yeah. I wonder if it'll let me zoom while I'm videoing. Oh yeah, look at that. No. Well, there you have it. They're goobered up. No two ways about it. So get that off, make sure the keyway and all that crap is good, and then kind of go from there. What you gonna do?